academic schedule in fetal medicine imaging, Dr. Bala dedicates time to create these videos for you. Please show your support with a quick like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
The superbloom. It's a breathtaking natural phenomenon that transforms arid landscapes into vibrant carpets of colorful wildflowers. Imagine vast stretches of desert, usually characterized by dry, dusty terrain, suddenly bursting into life, with a multitude of blooms in every imaginable shade. That's the magic of a superbloom. The trigger of superbloom: uncommon heavy rains in deserts cause dormant seeds to sprout, leading to the sudden, magnificent bloom of numerous flowers. The spectacle of superbloom. Various wildflowers like poppies and lilies burst into color across the desert, attracting pollinators and creating a vibrant landscape. Fleeting beauty. The stunning display of superbloom is short-lived, fading as the desert heat returns and the moisture decreases. The ecological significance: superblooms nourish wildlife, enrich the soil, and attract tourists, playing a vital role in the desert ecosystem. Where to experience superblooms. Superblooms mainly occur in Mediterranean climate deserts like California and Arizona, part of South Africa, typically in the spring season.
Of a busy academic schedule in fetal medicine imaging, Dr. Bala dedicates time to create these videos for you. Please show your support with a quick like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
For every view and moment shared, your support drives our passion. Stay tuned for our next videos and thank you for being part of our journey. Joining us today on AI Dr. Bala's Facts and Beyonds. If you enjoyed today's insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow for more enlightening journeys into the world of facts and beyond. Remember, knowledge is always evolving, and there's always more to explore. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep wondering and discovering.